Constituency Research Officer. Former one minute. On the fiasco plan, that one. I can't say you give me the water now. Rubber, we have piano. I can't be the airport, you have a back, other water, and yet this I come. And I get come on, also speaking out fast for. Yeah, Mother Twabby. Now, you saw the girl, Emma, you give her by Emma. No game hold on. Or game hold on. There will be on the Baba about the Sumbo. No be on the national about the Hamilton. I take the newspaper move. I say no, the MP say, I say no, the MP say. Yeah. There will be about the head man. How the fiasco will be about the head man. In the summer, who the fiasco will always be about the head man. And that will always be our again, if you want to be to me, I hope or dream of one. I'm off and do one. That's how I'm going. It is there, and easy for every side. The Slamu, one would or Baba Yen and Puma. They do all Baba now. They're a Appeal Court, or Supreme Court, or High Court. They're going to be area. They're MP. They are MP, they are MP court, assembly, or MPP. If you must about the Twasso, I'm now, people are the Canadian markets who can't afford it. You need to and check out all the way there. Hey, that's how you pay. Or they kind of phone papa. You will see. You are a control. You are a second. Sa Kwanswa. And you are a Yammy America. Or say, I'm before them in the episode of one. I hear you, Romano. Gamma, and you, Romano. And